Branches Institute is a new initiative of Branches Consulting, created to strengthen the global Branches movement. We build a Christ-centered learning community for Christian business leaders around the world. Our members are high-impact entrepreneurs, executives, and owners. Leaders committed to integrating faith and leadership in every sphere of influence. Together we pursue connection. We embrace challenges. We engage content that forms us in both character and confidence. Through cohort gatherings and year-round opportunities for growth, we walk together, becoming more faithful, more courageous, and more aligned with the purposes of God in our work. Guided by 6 core values: gospel identity, stewardship, love, excellence, community, and faithful risk-taking. This is Branches Institute, where leaders grow deeper roots and bear lasting fruit.